guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the zoom in text video transition on CapCut PC. So we are going to just select a video. I'm just going to select this video, and we are going to go to library, and we're going to add a black stock video on top of that. Okay, you gotta download that first, and then just type in the word you want. I'm just going to type in spring. I'm also going to change the font as well, make sure it's a little bit bolder than that, something like this, and adjust the font size a little bit. Just everything, select them both, right click, and then select create compound clip. Go to blend mode and choose the darken blend mode overlay, and then here is where you're going to zoom in. Okay, we are going to add in a keyframe here, and then here we are going to really zoom in until we get into this video. So you would want to zoom it in maybe like more than 1,000%. Let's try 2,000%. Okay, that is also not enough, so just zoom it in as much until the lettering is off, so it will zoom in to that eye, and you'll have this pretty zoom in transition. If you want it slow, you can move around the keyframes now, which I appreciate. If not, if you want to make it faster, you can move it to the left. If you want it to be slower, move it to the right, like so. And this is the final result. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!